Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this occasion, I would like to share the trading method that I use on the Olymp trade platform using two different indicators, and this is incredibly effective. For those of you who want to learn more about trading on the Olymp trade platform, please click the link in the description of this video. The first step I have to do here is to log in first. Here I will enter my email and password first. After entering the email and password, we can log into the account that we registered previously. However, if you don't have an account, you can register first by filling in the registration form provided. Make sure to fill in the data correctly and completely so that the registration process can run smoothly. After successfully registering, we can immediately log in and enjoy the services provided by this extraordinary trading platform. Don't forget to keep your personal data and passwords confidential to avoid unwanted things. The next step I took was to apply the two best selected indicators in this method. To apply these best choice indicators, I clicked on this section provided and followed the instructions. Here I start setting up indicators, and the first indicator is the simple moving average indicator. Then here I change the period to 50. Then I will use yellow, but we can adjust this to our wishes when carrying out trading analysis. The simple moving average, SMA indicator, is one of the most popular technical indicators among traders. This indicator is used to identify the direction of market trends by smoothing price data that continues to change. The way the SMA indicator works is by calculating the average closing price of an asset in a certain time period. For example, if we use SMA 50, then the indicator will calculate the average closing price for the last 50 time periods. SMA can help us identify the direction of the current market trend. If the asset price is above the SMA, it can be considered an uptrend or bullish trend. Conversely, if the asset price is below the SMA, it can be considered a downtrend or bearish trend. However, we also have to be careful when using the SMA indicator because false signals can occur. Therefore, it should be combined with other technical indicators to confirm the signals produced by the SMA indicator. The second indicator that I use is the parabolic indicator. Here I will not change the period, but I only change the color. By applying these two indicators, I can more easily identify markets that have the potential to provide greater profits in the short term. In this video, I use candles with a duration of 1 minute and a trading time of 2 minutes. As a trader, you need to know, I recommend that you always pay attention to the time frame used when using this strategy, because this will affect the accuracy of the predictions made. After that, we can choose a currency pair that has a profit potential of at least 80%. We can look at the price movement graph on this trading platform to estimate the direction of the price movement of the currency pair we choose. By choosing the right currency pair and implementing this strategy, we can increase our chances of making a profit in binary options trading. However, always remember to remain disciplined and manage risk well so you don't get caught in big losses. Therefore, it is highly recommended to understand the strategy used well and practice it regularly before actually starting trading activities. Don't forget to always be careful in every transaction you make. As I see it, this is a very good moment for me to make a higher purchase. There are several reasons why I feel this is the right time to buy higher. First of all, the market is experiencing an uptrend at this time. This shows that the market is supporting price increases. In addition, I believe that these two indicator signals related to price increases will continue to develop in the short term. Taking all these factors into consideration, I feel confident that purchasing higher at this time would be a smart purchasing decision. Of course, as with all investments, there are risks involved, and I would make sure to do careful research before making a final decision. Let's see until the end, whether I will get a profit or vice versa. You need to know that in trading, we are often faced with situations where we have to consider risks and profits before making a decision. Will the actions we take provide benefits for us or the opposite. However, as time goes by, we learn that advantages and disadvantages are not the only factors to consider. There are other things that also need to be considered in trading, such as managing finances, being disciplined, and keeping emotions in check when trading. Therefore, before deciding to trade, let's carefully consider all the existing factors. Thus, we will be able to make wise trading decisions. You need to know, one of the advantages of using the Olymp Trade platform is that it is easy to use, even for beginners. Apart from that, this platform also offers various features that can help you in making trading decisions, such as charts and technical indicators. If you are interested in joining and starting trading on Olymp Trade, then click the link in this description to register. After registering, you can immediately start trading with an affordable deposit and promising profits. Good luck! I think I had one of the very good trades in this video because I just made a profit using this very simple method. The method in question is the trading method explained in this video. Before trying this method, you should try it first on a demo account to better understand how it works and practice without the risk of losing real money. Don't forget to provide feedback by clicking like and share this video if you find it useful. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video, which will provide other useful information and tips.